Hi guys, my name is Humayun, and in this video I'm going to show you how to convert and copy the word table to Excel without splitting the cells. Before we get started, I would like to request you to please subscribe this channel and comment and like in this video so that you can interact and you can ask any question with us. Alright, so let's get started. Copying the data from one file to another file like Word to Excel may create some problems. And the main problem is we cannot copy the table format of data from Word to Excel. Okay. If you have a line break in your Word table, you cannot convert such a type of table to an Excel spreadsheet. So, for example, in a sales report of, because we have here open a sales report of a computer hardware that contains different columns. For instance, we have here product seller, product ID, product name, unit price, and sales. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to copy this table and we are going to paste this table on Excel sheet. Now, once you copy and paste this, you'll get this. Here, you can see the cells are splitted, right? Now, the question is how to make sure that the cells are not splitting. So let's explore first why the cells are splitting. Now, if before actually we do this, as I told you, we need to understand here, as you can see in the Excel sheet, that they are splitted, right? Now, they are shown exactly like they were in the Word sheet where there is no split. Now, if you go to the Word file and you can turn on, there's an option where you can turn on show hide. Okay, it's a little, let's say, Pilcrow character. Okay, you can just reach this character from the home tab. All right, and you'll see the Pilcrow character for every line break. Okay, however, you need to convert this table in Excel without splitting it. Right, so let's do the following steps. While we are working on this Word document, what we need to do is we need to press Control plus H. What will happen is once we do that, it will open a dialog box, and then this dialog is find and replace. All right. You can also reach this, from here, and then we have to add this paragraph. It's a bracket P in the box, and we're going to do this. And after this, let me add this, and then after that we have to add in the replace what tab. After this we have to add line break. So let me add the word line break in the replace what option. Okay, now after the replace with option, okay, we will click on replace all button, and I have replaced only the selected entries, not the rest of the document. Okay, now we just click on OK, and we'll close this. All right, now we can just copy the entire table so that we can paste it into this any cell in the Excel sheet. Now let's copy this table and let's go to, okay, we copied it, and now let's go to Excel. What we can do is, because we already have a table here, we can just delete this table. So let me delete this table, and now we can paste this the table that we copied from the Word. All right, so let's paste this table. What we can do is we can open the find and replace dialog box in the Excel. You can just there's a shortcut for that. You can just press Control plus H for that, and once you do that, you'll have this find and replace pop-up box. What you need to do here is you need to just insert a line break after the find what option. Okay, and then press Control plus J to insert a line break in the space after the replace with option. Okay, and then that's what we did. All right, as you can see here, this was a table before. We're gonna come back to the Excel sheet and I'll show you again. So we added the line break here. And what we're going to do now is we're just going to click on replace all, so replace with option is already done, and then we are going to pick the replace all button. So let's wait. I'm going to just checking it, and then I'm going to do that. So I think everything seems okay here. We are good to go. Okay, let's click on replace all. Okay, we just need to make sure that we just remove the spaces from the cell. But before that, let's click on OK and close this. And now after closing this, you will see that the table is not splitted, right? Okay, yeah, I mean, now we just need to make sure that we remove the spaces from the cells, and eventually, we can make it more presentable way. And yeah, let's do it like this, just a little bit more cleaning. So yeah, and also the column 8, we'll also remove a little bit of space here, and the same goes for, because these are the links, so just please bear with me. I will just move the links, and here we can also make it in a really presentable way, and that's it, right? So I think that's the end of today's session. So I really believe that you can easily now convert a word table to an Excel spreadsheet with all the above methods that I already shown you. And I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you would really like to see more tips and tricks like this, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. We really come up with a lot of videos every day, almost with a lot of new tips and tricks. So please feel free to follow our channel and subscribe to our latest updates.